Are you ready to take a ride into the future? Tesla's Cybertruck was already turning heads with its bold design and innovative features. Now, there's a new way to get behind the wheel of this futuristic beast: leasing. That's right, you can experience the future of trucking without the full commitment of buying. Imagine driving the latest in electric vehicle technology without the long-term financial burden. This changes the game for folks who want cutting-edge EV tech but prefer a flexible, potentially more affordable option. Leasing offers the chance to always stay updated with the latest advancements. This ain't your grandpa's lease program though. It's designed for the modern driver who values both innovation and convenience. Tesla's got its own way of doing things, and we're gonna break it all down for you. From the unique terms to the benefits, we'll cover it all. We'll dive into the nitty-gritty of the lease program, explaining every detail you need to know. We'll explore why leasing might be the right fit for you, especially if you love staying on the cutting edge of automotive technology. And of course, we'll compare the Cybertruck to its rivals, showing you why it stands out in the crowd. Buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the future of driving. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in automotive technology, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content. So, what's the deal with this Cybertruck lease? Let's dive into the details and see what we can expect. While Tesla likes to keep things close to the vest until official announcements, we can make some educated guesses based on their past leasing practices and industry standards. They'll likely offer various lease durations, probably starting around 24 months and going up to 48 months or more. This flexibility allows customers to choose a term that best fits their financial situation and driving habits. Monthly payments? Those will vary based on the chosen Cybertruck trim level, lease term, and your down payment. For instance, a higher down payment can reduce your monthly costs, making it more affordable in the long run. Expect a higher monthly payment for a loaded tri-motor Cybertruck on a shorter lease term. This model, with its advanced features and superior performance, will naturally come at a premium. Tesla will probably also offer different mileage options to fit your driving needs. Whether you're a daily commuter or an occasional driver, there will be a mileage plan that suits you. Choose wisely, because going over those miles could cost you extra. Exceeding the agreed mileage can lead to significant penalty fees, so it's crucial to estimate your annual mileage accurately. Additionally, Tesla's customer service and support will be there to assist you throughout your lease period, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Now, you might be wondering, why lease when I can buy? Well, leasing has its perks and benefits. First off, lower upfront costs. Buying a Cybertruck outright is a big chunk of change. Leasing significantly lowers that initial investment. Second, flexibility. With a lease, you're not locked into long-term ownership. After your lease is up, you can upgrade to the latest and greatest Cybertruck or explore other vehicles. Plus, you can say goodbye to the hassles of selling or trading in your old truck, making life easier. Let's talk about the Cybertruck itself. This vehicle is not just another truck. It's a revolution in automotive design and engineering. This thing is a beast. It's built to handle the toughest conditions, whether you're navigating through city streets or conquering rugged terrains. The exterior is made from ultra-hard, cold-rolled stainless steel, which is not only incredibly durable but also gives the Cybertruck its unique, futuristic look. The same stuff they use in spaceships. It's dent-resistant, scratch-resistant, and designed to withstand the harshest environments. It looks like nothing else on the road, turning heads wherever it goes with its bold, angular design. The performance is electrifying, literally. With its powerful electric motors, the Cybertruck delivers instant torque and acceleration. The top-of-the-line tri-motor Cybertruck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.9 seconds, which is faster than some of the most high-end sports cars on the market. Yes, you heard that right, faster than some sports cars. This makes it not only a powerhouse but also a thrill to drive. It also boasts a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, ensuring you can go the distance without constantly worrying about recharging, making those long hauls a breeze, whether you're on a cross-country road trip or just commuting to work. And don't forget the Cybertruck's impressive towing capacity. It can handle heavy loads with ease, perfect for hauling your toys like ATVs and boats, or tackling tough jobs on the work site. The Cybertruck is truly built different, redefining what a truck can be.